Hi there, this is Ross, a licensed agent with the ACT Insurance Program, and I'm here to kind of walk you through the process of adding an additional insured onto your policy. It's really quite simple. So first you want to make sure to go to our website, which is the same website where you purchased the policy, at actinsurance.com, actinsurance.com. Once you're there, you'll be on our home page, and once it looks like this, on the top right-hand corner, there's a login button, and you want to click on that. And you will put in the email address and password that you set up when you first purchased your policy, your first policy. If you need help on doing that, there is a button there. If you forgot your password, you can click on that. As a matter of fact, let me show you that real quick. So you'll see right here when you log in that there is an option to click here if you forgot your password. You can also, at any time, go and click here on the Contact Us button and ask us any questions that you may have, or if you need help with logging on, we can help you with that. So again, you want to put in your email and password that you first set up when you purchased the policy, and it'll bring you to your dashboard page. And you'll see here on the left-hand side, there's Manage Policies. You want to click on the button to add additional insured. And what's great about ACT is that we have partnered with quite a few events, arts, festivals, etc., who use our services and refer their vendors to us only. So if you know that your event referred you to us, then they may be under this registered events list. So click on Search for Registered Events. Let's say, for example, maybe the event's in California. Then you'll select the event there and click Select Event, and you'll see that it will automatically add all of the information for the event. Okay, then very simple, you click on Add Additional Insured, and it's done. It has already, your certificate will have been sent to that event automatically to their email address. And it'll bring you back to your dashboard when that additional insured is added successfully. Now, if you don't know the information, or if you didn't see your event pull up on the list when you wanted to add the additional insured, you can type it in manually. It's very simple. You want to put in their email for sure, because when you add their email again, that document will be sent to them automatically. And then you want to select the additional insured type. For the most of them, it'll be in just the event show additional insured. It's a retailer, distributor, or vendor. If you're actually providing products to like a retail location on their shelves, a landlord, you'd select that if they were the place where you're renting artist workspace from, for example. But most of these, again, will be event shows. Now you'll put in their mailing address or whatever address they'd want to have listed there. Type in the city, select the state, put in your zip code, and then click Add Additional Insured. And again, what's very nice about that is right here on the right-hand side, Download Documents, you'll see that all of these additional insureds that you've added onto your policy are listed right there. And ACT will never charge you for an additional insured for that basic wording. If there's other more substantial requirements that they have, again, contact us and let us know about those, and we can help you add that extra wording if we can do that. Again, if there's anything else you need, you want to go to About Us, Contact Us, and you can talk with one of our friendly agents to answer your questions. Thanks again. I hope this was helpful for you. Have a great day. Bye.